Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about getting rid of the adware type application called Subtitles. The trouble with this application is that you cannot find it in the control panel among all other programs available on your computers legally. So let's check that. We go to the control panel, we try to find that program called Subtitles, but we don't identify it here. Nevertheless, you may open the task manager and you may find several of such processes titled as nwjs, and if you right click on them and open the file location, this will bring you to this subtitles folder and the subtitles executable. This adware, once installed, starts displaying the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So anyway, if it was mistakenly installed into your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. Well, how to get rid of it if you cannot find it in the control panel? That's a good question, of course. What you can do, and that's what we recommend you to do, is doing that automatically. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.